Hello children, how are you all today? Our subject for today is storytelling. Our topic for storytelling is farm animals. Farm animals. Before we start our storytelling, let's see what kind of animal are here. We have horse, chicken, pig, sheep, and cow. Good children. Now let's begin our story. You see the pig? This is baby pig. Down on the farm, the pigs like to squeal. Pig like to squeal. Now, can you find the mouse, children? Where is mouse? This is mouse. I can see the mouse. Now we go to the next page. Tang-tarang. What animal is this, children? This is chicken. This is chicken. You can see the butterfly and bee. This is bee. This is butterfly. Out in the barnyard, the chickens eat their meal. The chicken eat their meal. How many eggs are here, children? How many eggs are here? Can we count together? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 eggs. Good children. Wow, you can see the sheep. Baby sheep. Good. The sheep family say ba. Say ba. How do you do, children? Ba. How many sheep can you count together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 sheep on the farm. Good. Wow, what animal is this, children? This is cow. Good. Now, when they give out milk, the cow say moo. The cow say moo. Now you look on the tree. What is that? There is apples. How many apples on the tree? We count together, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 apples on the tree. Okay, good children. Wow, this is horse. Horse. The horse say neigh, while the rooster start to crow. Down on the farm, we are all one family. Don't you know? How many friends live on the farm? We come together, children. This is friend horse on the farm. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 animals on the farm. Now our story is done. Moral of story is we must have a good teamwork, help and respect each other. I hope you enjoy our story today. Bye-bye.